Hello and welcome back. We have successfully delivered another 3 BHK home at My Home Mangala. This home is very traditional yet classy, accentuated with the use of veneers in the grand entryway console unit. The kids' room features a starry night glow-in-the-dark false ceiling, full dress-up view, and behind the main door storage units adds to the optimal functionality. Use of different elements like glass, louvers, partitions, and groovings in the false ceiling adds to the luxury. Please take the tour of the entire space and do let us know about your favorite chic space. Thank you.